Okay, so we've got one of these that's not filling up at the moment.
Yeah.
Basically, we've turned off the water supply at the bottom.
Yeah.
So this here itself is a Fluidmaster, which is one of these universal. Let's get this out for you. Basically, I'm going to show you how to take this off. So what we're going to do with this part here is literally take off this, and that pulls out.
Okay.
We're going to do the same to the one inside the system,
Right.
and put the new one.
Okay.
So if you reach in,
Yeah.
so that's the old one out.
Yeah.
You take the new one, and you just put it literally.
So what's gone wrong with that?
It's literally the washer inside
Right.
that goes. To get to these washers, you've got to take all this off. It's just as easy just to change the whole bit, and then just make sure that you push that little bit back on. As easy as that. So I'll just turn on the water supply.
Yeah.
And then you should have this filling up and stopping as normal. As you can see, the water supply's back on.
Yeah.
And then this, when it gets up, will stop.
Alright, okay.